Microsoft just killed the excuse that AI agents are too messy for real software. And if you're still gluing prompt chains together by hand, this release should worry you. Agent Framework 1.0 is live. Microsoft's message is simple. The old split between Semantic Kernel and Autogen is over. This is the new center of gravity for agent apps in .NET and Python. That matters because developers used to choose between flexibility and structure. Autogen was great at multi-agent patterns. Semantic Kernel was stronger on state, middleware, and enterprise plumbing. Agent Framework combines both, then adds a cleaner workflow layer. Microsoft also slips in the smartest warning in the whole release. If a normal function can do the job, use a function, not an agent. That's not a footnote. That's the rule that will save teams months of wasted time. At the core, you get agents and workflows. Agents think, call tools, and talk. Workflows control sequence, branching, pauses, resumes, and coordination between multiple actors. Around that, Microsoft gives you sessions, middleware, model clients, memory hooks, and tool integration. Now the big part. Microsoft made the main orchestration patterns stable. Sequential, concurrent, handoff, group chat, magnetic 1. These came out of Microsoft Research and Autogen, and they now support streaming, checkpointing, human approvals, and pause and resume for long-running runs. Agent Framework supports MCP, the Model Context Protocol, so agents can discover and use tools exposed by MCP servers. It also supports A2A, agent-to-agent communication, with A2A 1.0 still marked as coming soon. You can define agents and workflows in YAML. Instructions, tools, memory settings, orchestration topology, all in version-controlled files. Then load them with one API call. That makes agent behavior easier to review, easier to diff, and easier to ship without hiding everything inside app code. Microsoft shipped migration assistance for both Semantic Kernel and Autogen. That is not a side feature, it is a signal. Microsoft wants existing teams to move now. The install story is also light. Python gets Agent Framework. .NET gets Microsoft.Agents.AI. 1.0 also ships with preview features that hint at the next phase. DevUI gives you a browser-based local debugger, so you can watch message flow, tool calls, and orchestration decisions in real time. Foundry is a big part of that next phase. Microsoft is wiring Agent Framework into hosted agents, tools, memory, observability, evaluations, and Azure Functions scenarios. There are front-end adapters too, including AGUI, Copilot Kit, and Chat Kit, so output can stream into real apps instead of staying trapped in back-end logs. Microsoft also added skills, which package reusable capabilities, and support for GitHub Copilot SDK and Claude Code SDK as harnesses inside orchestrations. That's a huge tell. Microsoft wants coding agents, business agents, and custom agents living in the same system, not in separate worlds. Because this is not just a nicer wrapper around chat completions. Microsoft is trying to build an operating layer for mixed model, mixed agent systems. And yes, it says the framework works with any model provider and that it is fully open source. But there is a catch developers should not ignore. Microsoft openly says that once you connect third-party models, servers, or tools, you own the risk. You own the costs. You own the data boundaries. You own the safety controls. That warning matters because a lot of teams hear open ecosystem and think freedom. What it really means is freedom with responsibility, and the teams that miss that will learn it the hard way. So what is Microsoft Agent Framework 1.0 as of April 22, 2026? It's Microsoft's official replacement path for the first generation of agent tooling. It merges Autogen's agent patterns with Semantic Kernel's stronger application features, then adds workflow control built for stateful, multi-agent, long-running systems. The smartest developers will not use it everywhere. They will use it where autonomy is worth the complexity. That's the split between an agent demo that looks clever for 5 minutes and a system that still works when real users, real tools, and real failure states show up. And that may be the whole game. The teams that win with Agent Framework 1.0 will not treat agents like prompt magic. They will treat them like architecture. Microsoft just gave them a serious foundation. Thank you.